Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Eric. I'll be taking you through this topic, linear equations. And for this particular subtopic, we'll be covering substitution method. Previously, we did substitution method. Now we want to look at substitution method now when we have fractional coefficients. The other time or previous slide, we did substitution method when we had integral coefficients. We had things like 2x. So like 2x plus 3y is equals to 4, and then 3x plus 2y is equals to 6, these ones, where the coefficients, these numbers are integers. Now you want to see how you can still use substitution method when the numbers are not integral. Like for example, if you have a half of x plus a half of y is equals to 1, and 0.5x plus 0.6y is equals to 0. Such like equations are the ones that you want to deal with now in this particular lesson. So that makes a whole order of a difference. Now let's see. So we have a few questions to help us with the application of that, just to see how we can use substitution method to solve for unknowns in a given set of simultaneous equations when the coefficients are non-integral. How do you go about that? At the end of the lesson, we'll be having some assignment just to help you check on your understanding of the concept as discussed, and also just to help you with practicing as you try to learn the concept. Now, we have the first example as displayed on the screen. Use substitution method to solve for unknowns in the following pairs of simultaneous equations. So how do you go about this? So if you look at this here, the same as this, see? So what I'll do in equation 1, or even in, let me use equation 2, for example, see? So I'll use equation 2 to find what value is represented by this. So using, or we say from equation 2, let me use from equation 2, we know that v minus u over 2 is equals to what? So I'll take this to the other side, is equals to 2 minus 2u minus 4 over 3. You see this? So I'll simply substitute v minus u over 2 in equation 1 for this one here. Where there is v minus 2 over 2, I'll use the whole of this expression. So you see I have now u So I have u plus 1 over 6. That's what equation 1 starts with. Then minus v minus u over 2. So minus this. But this one already I have the value here. So I'll use 2. It's supposed to be inside the bracket. So 2 minus 2u minus 4 over 3. Then this is equals to what? 6. So you see now we have substituted v4. So you can't see now v in the equation. So I only have one equation in just one unknown. So let me now open up the bracket. So u plus 1 over 6 minus 2. Then now this minus will change to plus because of the minus sign appearing before the bracket. So 2u minus 4 over 3 is equals to 6. So I can decide to multiply all through now by 6 because 6 is the LCM of 6 and 3. So the first term multiplied by 6 will be u plus 1. The second term multiplied by 6 will be 12. Third term multiplied by 6, 3 goes into 6 2 times. So it will be 2 into 2, u minus 4. The reason I'm using this bracket is because of this. The denominator, if you multiply the LCM by you divide the LCM by the denominator here, the answer is 2. That 2 must multiply the whole of that expression. So you have to enclose it in a bracket. So 6 by 6 is 36. So you open up this bracket here. So I have u plus 1 minus 12 plus now 2 multiplies 2, we get 4u, and 2 multiplies 4, we get 8. This is equals to 36. So now I have u and 4u to give me 5u. 1 minus 12 is minus 11, minus 11 minus 8 is minus 19. So this is equal to 36. So I will take this to the other side. So 5u should be equal to 36 plus 19. So 36 plus 19. 5 carry 1, 4, 5. So that is 55. So 5u should be equal to 55. And if you divide both sides by 5, u will be 11. So now that I have u, I can substitute u in equation 1. So equation 1, we have u plus 1 over 6 minus v minus u over 2 is equals to 6. So I already have the value of u as 11. So 11 plus 1 over 6 v minus 11 over 2 is equals to 6 because u is 11. So this is going to be 12 over 6 v minus 11 over 2 is equals to 6. So you divide this, you'll get 2 v minus 11 over 2 is equals to 6. So what I'll do, I'll multiply all through by 2 so that this becomes 4. This becomes v minus 11 and this becomes 6. No, 12 because we are multiplying all through by 2. So 6 by 2 is 12. So now I can take v to the other side and 12 can be brought to this other side. But anyway, let me subtract 4 minus 11, that is negative 7 minus v is equals to 12. So minus v is equals to 12 minus plus 7. So minus v is equals to 19 and v is equals to negative 19. So we have still used substitution method to help us solve for the unknown in the given set of simultaneous equations. So that happens when in both equations you have something that is common, like v minus u over 2, v minus u over 2. So if you look at this, such a scenario does not exist. So in this case, you really have to simplify. You really have to simplify both equations. So now let me start with equation 1 and I multiply all through by 15. So I will have 3y minus 2x. If you multiply the second term by 15, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So I have 5 into 2x plus 1 is equals to 30. So simplify, open up the bracket. So 3y minus 2x plus 10x plus 5 is equals to 30. So 3y minus 2x plus 10x is 8x plus 5 is equals to 30. So now we have 3y plus 8x is equals to 30 minus 5. 5 will go to the other side. So 3y plus 8x is equals to 25. So we have now, you can make y here the subject. So we have 3y is equals to 25 minus 8x. And therefore y, 8x crossing to the other side becomes minus. So y is equals to 25 minus 8x over 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Divide this side by 3, y, divide the other side by 3, like this. Now, try to simplify equation 2 and then substitute y for 25 minus 8x over 3. So let me simplify. So simplifying equation 2, I'll multiply all through by 15 as well. So we'll get 2x minus 3y, and then it is multiplying the first term by 15, the second term by 15, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So we have minus 5 into 1 minus x. And of course, the last term multiplied by 15 will be 45. So this one you multiply by 15. So this one you start with 2x minus 3y. 5 by 1 is 5, and the minus will change to plus because of the minus sign before the bracket. So 5 by x is 5x. So this is 45. So I collect the like terms together. So 2x plus 5x is 7x, minus then 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. So 5 will go to the other side. It's equals to 45. So 5 will go to the other side. So 7x minus 3y is equals to 45 plus 5. So 7x minus 3y is equals to what? So I already have the value of y. So I simply substitute this value of y. So I have 7x minus 3 into y, but y is 25 minus 8x. Everything you divide by 3, and this is equals to what? 50. So you can see then that this 3 can then cancel that 3. So what do you get as a result of that? So I have 7x minus 1 into 25 minus 8x. This is equals to 50. So you open up the bracket. So 7x minus 25, but because of the minus sign before the bracket, the sign inside the bracket changes to plus. Plus 8x is equals to 50. So sum up the two, 8x and 7x, that will be 15x minus 25 is equals to, so 25 can move to the other side of the equal sign. So 15x is equals to 50 plus 25. When 25 goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So 15x is equals to what? 75, and therefore x is equals to 5. If you divide both sides by 15. So with the value of x, you can find the value of y, because already we got the value of y. You say y is equals to what? 25 minus 8x. Everything was divided by what? By 3. So x is already 5. So I simply substitute x for 5. Where there is x, I will write 5. So this is 25 minus 8 into 5. That means 8 by 5 there over 3. So this is 25 minus what? Minus 40 over 3. So 25 minus 40 is minus 15 over 3, and therefore this is going to be minus 5. So x is 5 and y is minus 3. So this is how you go about it to help you solve for the unknown. Now the same applies to this. We'll have to simplify them first. So we'll have to simplify them first. So I'll multiply the first equation by 12 because the LCM of 3, 4, and is 12. So multiplying this by 5, 12, 3 goes into 12 4 times, so 4 into x plus y. Minus 4 goes into 12 3 times, so 3 into x minus y. This is equals to 3 goes into 12, 4 by 2 is 8. So you open up the bracket, 4x plus 4y minus 3x. Now because of the minus sign before the bracket, the sign of the bracket changes to plus. 3y is equals to what? It's equals to 8. Collect the like terms. 4x minus 3x is x. 4y plus 3y is plus 7y. So this is equals to 8. So from here you can see that x is equals to 8 minus 7y. So you try and simplify the second equation again, multiply all through by 12. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. So now I have 4 into 2x minus 3 minus 4 goes into 12 3 times, 3 into 2y plus 3. And 12 goes into 12 once, 1 by 19 is 19. So this is 19. So again, you open up the bracket. So we have 8x minus 12 minus 6y. The negative sign before the bracket changes the sign inside to minus 9, and this is equals to 19. So collecting the like terms, so we have 8x minus 11 minus 12 minus 9 is minus 21. So I have minus 6y first, then minus 21 is equals to 19. So 21 will go to the other side. So 8x minus 6y is equals to 19 plus 21, which is 40. So 8x minus 6y minus 6y is equals to what? But already I have the value of x, which is 8 minus 7y. So I'll substitute x for 8 minus 7y. So 8 into x, but x is 8 minus 7y. So minus 6y is equals to what? 40. So multiplying, opening up this bracket, the number outside the bracket multiplies both terms inside the bracket. So this is 64 minus 56y minus 6y is equals to 40. So 64 minus 62y is equals to 40. So 64 will have to move to the other side. So minus 62y is equals to 40 minus 64. So minus 62y is equals to minus 24. So you divide both sides by negative 62 by negative 62. So y is equals to, you divide the upper one by 2, it will be, because now the negative cancels out, so the upper one will be 12, this one will be 31. So 12 over 31, you try and substitute it in the equation. So y is equals to 8 minus 7y. So 8 minus 7 into 12 over 31. So this is going to be 8 minus, so we have 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 should be 84. So this is 84 over 31. So the LCM is 31 again. 31, 1 goes into 31 times, and 31 by 8 is 248. So this is 248 minus 31 goes in 31. Once 1 by 84 is 84. So 248 minus 84 is 164 over 31. So you have to change it to an improper, to a mixed number. So 164 divided by 31, that should be 5. So the remainder should be 31 by 5. So 31 times 5 is 155. 155, you subtract from 164, should be around 9 over 31. So x is that and y is that. Yes. So this one here is x. It's x that we are substituting. So it's x is equals to. So x is 5 and 9 over 31, and y is 12 over 31. So we have one last one here. So this is easy. You simply make 1 over u the subject. So we have 1 over, from equation 2, 1 over u should be equal to 3 over 5 plus 1 over v. So this is what I will substitute in the equation up there. Where there is 1 over u, I'll write the whole of this. So I have 1 over u plus, so 1 over u plus 1 over v should be equal to 1 over 5. So I will substitute 1 over u for the whole of this. So that is 3 over 5 plus 1 over v plus 1 over v. See, this one is 3 over 5 plus 1 over v is 1 over u. Then plus 1 over v is equals to 1 over 5. So 3 over 5 plus 2 over v should be equal to 1 over 5. This 2 over v, we added the numerators up here. 1 plus 1 to give us 2. Then now I can decide to multiply all through by 2, by 5, the denominator here. See. Or just make 3 over 5 to cross to the other side. So I have 2 over v should be equal to 1 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So 2 over v should be equal to what? The LCM is 5, of course. So it's just a matter of subtracting the numerators, and that will give us negative 2 over 5. Cross multiplication will have minus 2v is equals to 10. So divide both sides by negative 2. V is equals to negative 5. Now I'll use the expression for 1 over u, which is 3 over 5 plus 1 over v. But v is negative 1 of negative 5, so I'll substitute that. So 3 over 5 plus 1 over negative 5. This is just the same as negative 1 over 5. So 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5. All this is 1 over u. So if I continue here, 1 over u should be equal to what? The LCM is still 5, so you just subtract the numerators, 2 over 5. So 2u is equals to 5. You cross multiply this and this, the two are equal. So divide both sides by 2. So u is equals to 2 and 1 half. 2 and 1 half. So we have v as negative 5 and u as 2 and 1 half. So that is all. We have an assignment there to help you practice what you learned through this lesson. Otherwise, that marks the end. Until next time.